Let's go.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you're live with me this evening, and it's pretty good evening at the DoubleTree by Hilton, Gurgaon, and I am with the decent chef. I met him about a year and a half ago, and now Deepak Sarkar, executive chef of the hotel, will be taking us through his journey towards the Rampur Festival of Food here, which is being curated for the first time in Gurgaon. Over to my dear friend, executive chef Deepak Sarkar. Hi,
Right.
how are you?
How are you?
Good, good, good.
Welcome to Gharane Rampur.
Oh, thank
Right.
you, thank you, dear
We're
friends.
just having a food festival called Gharane Rampur, which is hosted by DoubleTree Hilton, Gurgaon.
Uh-huh.
I just take you through the Rampur, how the Rampur cuisine is created by the Nawabs, by the Awadh, by the Delhi, and it is influenced by the Afghani also. So all the Pathans, the Rohilla Pathans, has been created this Rampuri cuisine. So these are the little old
These are the
vessels.
traditional
Yes,
vessels,
traditional vessels.
All silver.
Yes, all silver.
Ah.
You can see that, and you can see that this Rampuri chaku, which is always seen in a Hollywood movie or Bollywood movies. Yes,
so to speak. Yes.
You can see that. This is a pandan.
Uh-huh.
In this, they drink a water. This is called longin. This is called longin. And I take you through towards how
The
the masala
spices.
spices is used in our Rampuri cuisine. We're just making a kebabs here. All the shamis and the kebabs, we just cook it here. It is one of the finest cuisine which we found it here, and we specially called Chef Osama to come and help us to retain this journey of called Rampur cuisine. So we just one day we just sit down with the Osama and asking him, you have any plan to do some festival with us? So he planned for Rampur cuisine, and certainly we just called Osama. He is wonderful chef, and he called all the family members. Ammi, we call Ammi chef, Ammi Jalali is a mother of Osama, and he also called his wife and his family, which is always there in the kitchen and cooking up preparation of all the dishes. So I take you through the buffet, how they're preparing a buffet here. So we spread all the Rampuri food here. We have do goshta biryani. Here, do goshta biryani. You can see the chicken ball and the lamb. It's called do goshta biryani. Then a tar gosht. Then we have a chicken stew.
This is interesting.
And it is very unique cuisine. You have all the spices. This is called a gobi gosht.
Yeah.
And
One
the-
was gobi gosht.
Gobi
Something
gosht
very
cooked with the
different.
spinach. And the blend of meat and the vegetable is so subtle. The flavor is so subtle. So you can have the vegetable flavor and you have a lamb flavor. This is Arabika salad.
Uh-huh.
This is paneer korma. And yes, the mash ki dal, which is always famous in
A blend
Rampur.
of non-vegetarian and vegetarian.
This is called aloo bharta.
Oh, wow.
And this promotion we started on 1st March and we are just ending on 10th. People are loving to eat the Rampuri food.
And chef, something different to know that the kind of decor you have made up and the
We
kind
just-
of
we just-
Begum Akhtar ghazals.
Yes.
And basically these are not ghazals, I'll call it nazams.
Gazams. It's called,
Nazams.
yes.
So
nazam.
the nazams which are being played at the background is something very interesting to
Correct.
give it an entire flavor of
Correct.
Rampuri food
Correct,
festival
correct,
here.
correct. and we just change the ambience also. We just creating a rather library from Rampur. It's called. It has a different pillars with different level. So we created a little ambience in such a manner. So it's look like a little Rampur festival is happening here.
Fabulous. Yeah, that's interesting to know this. And the kind of, entire blending is so good and exciting that really pampers,
Yes.
you're pampering, your
Yes.
staff is pampering the guests
Correct,
like
correct.
anything. It's something
And
interesting
It
to
is based
notice.
on the how the people are
The
rating
gharanas,
you.
yeah. The name per se goes, the gharana itself is,
It is like
works.
it's called tehzeeb in Urdu.
Exactly.
So the Nawab has a tehzeeb to eat and dine with the tehzeeb, and we just giving a same kind of a gesture to our all the guests. So we serve in a such a manner so everybody can feed it properly.
Chef,
And
what are the
in-
guests which you have been receiving here? I mean, it includes a lot of foreigners here. And
Plenty of foreigner. All the room guests who staying with us, they are out. They believe that they are in a different world because they tried with the butter chicken, they tried the mutton kormas.
but what are
this
the
is-
dishes, special dishes? Can you name few of them?
It's kache keeme ki tikkiya in the starter. It's amazing. Yakhni tali boti. It's a pure meat. We just braise that lamb boti and then we just grill it in a griddle pan. Then we just have a kathal ki shami.
Yeah.
Then we have a meve mawe ki tikki in a starter. Then in the main course we do have a tar gosht, gobi gosht, urad dal gosht, arbi ka salan, dal bharta, plenty of dishes which is we just get it from Rampur here.
That's
and
fabulous.
we blend with the do goshta biryani. Then we have our different breads and definitely yes for the desserts. There's plenty of desserts. The scope of dessert has to be there while eating the main courses. So we just tell to the guests ki please hold your last bite for the desserts. We have a gosht ka halwa.
Oh wow.
The surprise is the gosht ka halwa, and we just preparing in a such a manner nobody can identify the gosht. And,
It's interesting to know gosht ka halwa,
Halwa.
which is really
and I recommend
mouth-watering for me.
I
At least.
recommend all the people who's watching live, please come over to the Doubletree Hilton and see this Gharana Rampur festival.
And also, you have a lot of celebrity chefs.
Yes, they're coming out.
Coming up here and
Yes.
they're trying to relish and
Dr.
taste
Pant,
and
yes, Dr. Pant came yesterday. Chef Gil was came. Plenty of celebrity chef is coming out. So we are honored that
Vicky Ratnani is also slated
is
for
coming
tomorrow.
out. Yes.
So it's fabulous, yes.
So plenty of people are coming to see this Rampuri festival, which is happening here. So this is what the Doubletree is known for, and definitely the Osama family is sitting and giving a little experience.
The kind of ambience it's been going through, it has been really fabulous and worth taking a look at the property, worth eating the food and really relishing the entire cuisine, which is Rampuri cuisine. Dear friends, this was a mild story, a minimum story, what we could land up here from the Doubletree Hilton, Gurgaon, and I'm sure that you will make it more successful with your presence in the times to come.
Thank you so much
And-
for coming here.
And thank you very much. And we are sure that this festival is going to be the highlight of the Doubletree by
Surely.
Hilton.
Doubletree by
Gurgaon.
Hilton, Gurgaon. Thank you.